So I'm reshooting this video because a few people told me the other video did not have sound, and I'm still kind of new at TikTok, so I have no idea how to fix it. But it's such an important topic that I want to do it all over again because I want to talk about if an insurance company sues you. So you might remember that I had a client who got cut off by Lincoln because of an internal audit. We asked for the complete claim file 5 times. They never sent us the math. They sent us the conclusion, but like teachers always say, show your work. They never made it clear, well, what did this internal audit show you? So we could have sued under ERISA regulations. If an appeal is futile, meaning there's really no point, you can say, or at least argue, that you've been constructively denied, and therefore, under the futility exception to ERISA's usual requirement that you exhaust your administrative remedies, you could just sue. But I went back and forth with my colleagues and with my client, of course, and said, look, if we sue, they might sue you back. And that is a hard thing for people to wrap their heads around, even us lawyers, because there was a provision in the contract called a right to recovery. And the way that Lincoln wrote it, this right to recovery clause gives them the power to demand every penny back, even if they made the mistake. So there was really no question that they probably messed up. But what if they didn't? What if somewhere in that internal audit they were right? Well, that's what the law allows them to do, is to file what's called a counter complaint, meaning my client, through me, would become the plaintiff. Lincoln would be the defendant. But if Lincoln thought that they had paid the benefits wrong, even though they were wrong and paid them, they could still sue my client, which means my client then becomes the defendant. So at the same time, he's fighting two cases. One, he's trying to prove his burden, and at the second time, he's trying to defend off Lincoln from proving their burden. So yes, insurance companies can sue you, and they will wave that over your head to try to drive you into silence. Luckily, on this situation, we pressed and didn't give up, and I won't give up with these companies, and they backed off. That's why I'm on here, because I'm going to try to back them off as much as I can.